What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove account spending limit on Facebook ads. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After that, just simply log in or sign up with your email and password to create your Facebook account, or if you already have an account, just simply log in with that account. And then after logging in or signing up, on the right side, you can see this menu waffle-like icon. Click on this and then click on this Ads tab to open the Facebook ads. Now here, Facebook Ads Manager will open in a new tab and you will be redirected to the home page or account overview page of this Facebook Ads Manager. Now from here on the left side, hover to these tools and then you will see this billing and payment tools. Click on this and after clicking, a new billing and payments page will open wherein when you scroll a bit down, if you have purchased the Facebook ads plan, here after the payments method, you will see the section of account spending limit. So here on the account spending limit on the right side, you will see three dots. Click on that and then you will see two options to change and remove. So if you want to remove it, just simply click on remove and your remove request will be sent to Facebook ad, and within a few hours, your uh, account spending limit will be removed. So this is how you can remove account spending limit on Facebook Ads Manager. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.